I should have known Laura was here when my goosebumps stood up. It's so cold in this room.
Yeah, here's the thing. Who wants to sweat out their good dress clothes for the Today Show, okay?
It's true.
Yeah, okay.
That's why I enjoy working with
It's not Alaska.
Well, we do have some folks in Alaska right now.
We wanted to make it comfortable here for the rest of us.
By the way, one of our stage managers, Savannah, she's from Alaska.
Oh, really?
It's a nod to her.
Did you send her out there?
No,
Send her home?
No, it
No,
would have been.
she's still here at 4 a.m, just slogging it out with us.
I don't want to talk too much about yesterday, but yesterday was great. Going to see F1.
Yeah.
Everyone's been talking about this.
You know, Pete Breen, one of our leaders downstairs in the control room, he made a good point. Staff had a good time, obviously, but the folks who are on the plaza, who like show up just to see the Today Show, all of a sudden it's a rainy, crappy day in New York City, and they get to see Brad Pitt.
I love it.
Yeah.
They thought they were just going to get to hang out, go to a movie, and then Brad Pitt shows up.
That's not what the Today Show does.
No.
We give you Brad Pitt.
Problem is now I think we got to do it like once, twice a year.
We're 10 minutes to air.
Oh, yeah.
She's ready.
Well, half ready. Gotta do the finishing touches. Yes.
I love making you talk to me while you're putting lipstick on. It's a great interview.
Should I keep trying to put it on or should I just wait? I'll just wait. I like this t-shirt.
Target.
It's really nice.
Thank you.
I like it a lot.
Do you ever leave that curler in and forget where you are, go upstairs, and somebody has to be like, Dylan, take that out?
Kim would never let that happen.
I know. She
Yes.
would never. Got a lot of eyes on you, which is the one benefit. Of
Yeah, exactly. There's a lot of people who look me over before I go on.
Gosh, we could all use that. You know, when you get in your car and you're like, have the curler in for like the drive.
It's funny though, because when I used to work in Boston, I did my own makeup. And, you know, the show started at 5 o'clock in the morning, so we'd have to get in so much earlier. And it's like, I was making my own graphics and doing like making the forecast from scratch. So it was just like there was so much to do. So as the morning show would go on, my co-anchor Anne, she'd be like, eyebrows. I'm like, oh crap, I forgot to put my eyebrows on. Or it's like, shoot, mascara.
Bob.
I like how you started just calling me straight Bob.
Bobby.
Like my name is Jenna Bob Hegar. Bobby.
Because your hair becomes your identity, and girl, you just changed everything.
It's shorter than I thought, if I'm honest. But Chris McMillan is the best. He's the loveliest. I've gone through a lot of change. I realized last night how much change. Like lots of stuff going on.
Yeah.
So why not go ahead and chop off my hair at the same time?
I love a fresh start.
It's
and
a
it's
lot.
like, cut it off. Start new.
Yes.
It feels a lot. But you know what's good? You save on shampoo.
I'm
because
shaving on
you
shampoo.
put a little
Shaving
bit
on
less
shampoo.
shampoo in the hand.
That's true. And it just took about 1 minute to do my hair.
No, it's crazy.
1 minute.
That's kind of a good feeling.
Yeah, summer. A summer cut.
It's summertime.
A real summer cut.
Lots of change, Bobby. It's coming for
Bobby.
you. Bobby.
The fact that you're calling me Bobby.